Hello everyone. Welcome to the UPERFECT Touch Monitor Setup Guide for Windows. Let's activate touch control for your laptop. First, let's start with part 1. UPERFECT Portable Monitors comes with USB-C and Mini HDMI port. Your laptop might have both USB-C and HDMI port. We suggest using a USB-C cable. However, make sure your laptop's USB-C port support DP alt mode. Once your laptop detects UPERFECT second display, the touch control will activate right away. For some laptops with low power output, we recommend to keep your monitor plugged in for a steady power supply. When using HDMI connection, please power your monitor first. While HDMI only transmits video and audio signals, you'll need another USB-C cable to enable touch control. Now let's move to part 2. Duplicate or extend the display. By default, the display is usually set to duplicate mode, and the monitor will be identified as 1 and 2. Touch control will correspond to your laptop screen accordingly. Next is the extend mode setting. Easily find it in display setting or use shortcut Windows key and P. At the end, don't forget to save your settings. In extend mode, touch control will only work on UPERFECT monitor. If you need more help, feel free to contact us anytime.